Hey Peter, I just want to recap this feature, the recall button for inbox. It's been a while since I was kind of last demonstrating the mock-up I did for the possible feature. So, and there was some differences from the final code. So, and also the workspace was old since it was prior to Bitbucket, so it's okay. So, I've caught up. Now I'd like to finish it. So here I'm just going to demonstrate. So if we go to what I just want to show was, which was one of the bigger differences, if I go to a lab right now, you see the button, the recall button it doesn't appear here yet. Go to preference. And go to lab recall setting. You'll notice here I put required beside delegate. So what I've done, since this is a preference that's being set, and I'm not sure, but it's maybe something that's not everyone's going to use. But so what I did was I just used the delegate property when it's set to determine to display the recall button within the labs. So I'm just going to set it, set everything. It's been saved. Close out. Go back to the lab. And now we got the recall button. So then I'm just going to demonstrate the link from the tickler to the lab. So I'm not going to bother sending this. It works fine. So what I'm going to do is and I'm just going to change this. This was the so you'll notice here that based on the settings that you've set in the preference, it'll set this. So if you've set it high, this will automatically be selected as high. If it's low or normal, it will be selected. And the task assigned to the same. That was the delegate I selected in the preferences. So that's going to automatically select that provider. I'm just going to set it as me to demonstrate the tickler at the moment. Submit. And I'm just going to refresh. So now I got a tickler, and we got the tickler with the link to the lab, and then the other it's going to be the preference. So the other portion which has been added since the last demonstration was just the ability to delete this, and let's delete it. So if I go back in, there's nothing there, and again it would be removed from here, and it also displays now within the preview. So like from the inbox on the preview, it does this. It looks the same. It will add the button there. Actually, let me just demonstrate that just so quickly. So there you go. You get the button, and it reacts the same. If I remove the property, then you don't see it there as well. So the last stage is which I'm going to send in the email. You're going to get this link if there's a question, but it's just the actual linking from here. I was pretty much before when we started. I think I was saying about distinguishing it in the table, adding maybe a new criteria or attribute to the table, but I'm just looking at that now. But anyways, hope everything looks good, and hopefully it's what you're expecting, and hopefully we can finish this the next day or so. Right.